So I'm going to use, I'll show you, agar nectar instead of honey and sugar, and I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of this in. Hi, I'm Charlie from Ask Charlie and welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do remember to subscribe, to ring the bell to be notified, and also spread the word about Ask Charlie. I'd be really, really grateful. So today I want to share another recipe with you from my Christmas planner. Now, this one is for all those drivers, non-drinkers and children out there. Non-alcoholic mulled wine. Now, the one that's in my planner has got honey and it's got sugar in. The one that I'm going to show you today is an even healthier alternative, which quite a few people have asked me for, so I thought I would film it and show you. So to start with, I've got some of the Beaver mulled winter punch, and this is going to be the base for this drink. There are other alternatives if you don't have this, but this is basically elderberries, blackcurrants and oranges, so that's sort of the base of it, which is a good fruity start. So I have got 175 ml, which I'm just going to put into my saucepan. Let's move that there. And then I have got 300 ml of freshly squeezed orange juice, so in that goes too. And then I've got a litre of water, and I should just pour those all in together. And then I'm just going to slice up an orange and literally just put the slices straight into the saucepan. And a lemon too. Then a cinnamon stick, 2 star anise, and nutmeg, freshly ground nutmeg. So I've got a great little grater here, and great. I'm not going to grate the whole thing because I don't want it to be overpowering with nutmeg, but probably the equivalent of half a teaspoon. Freshly grated is so much nicer than the ground, so do try and get hold of it if you can. In that goes. I'm then going to pop a handful of cloves. These smell amazing. Just so Christmassy. And then half a teaspoon of ground ginger. You could use some fresh ginger. And then, so I'm going to use, I'll show you, agar nectar instead of honey and sugar, and I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of this in. There's the first one and the second one, and it's as simple as that. So I'm just going to give it a stir, and then I'm going to heat it through for about 15 minutes. So I'm just going to leave this to simmer away for about 15 minutes so all the flavours infuse. So this has been infusing away for about 15 minutes, and I've got this beautiful punch bowl. This is actually my mother's, and it brings me lots of pleasure to use it. And I've just got a sieve here, and I'm just going to strain this into my punch bowl. And it really is as simple as that. We'll just give that a good shake. Pop it in there, and then I've got this gorgeous ladle, and where are my glasses? They're here. So I think these are brilliant, and I just got them in HomeSense. Get some brilliant buys in there, and just ladle it in to your glasses. So I hope you enjoy my non-alcoholic Christmassy fruity punch, which is perfect for all the family. My kids love it, and it's also got a lot less sugar in there than many other recipes. Enjoy.